Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video is for those who want to automate their daily tasks using AI. So many people are doing this, and if you are not doing this, I think this is the right time to spend less time on planning, scheduling, and very normal activities that you can allocate to AI. So stick with me till the end of this video, and I hope you will be able to apply AI for your daily tasks related to your office or automation, your email, your marketing tasks. So at the end of this video, you will be able to automate your tasks using Gemini. So specifically, I'm going to use Gemini's feature today, Google Gemini's feature, that is Google Spark. So let's move towards my screen. I will share my screen and I will show you how I can automate a simple task using Gemini. So let's go. So this is a very simple task that we are going to do today. So if you go to Gemini, you will see two options here. One is chat and the other one is Spark. This one is brand new feature by the Google Gemini, and they rolled it out for the pro users. So for using this, you have to use your pro account. I have my account, so let's just start with the first task. For example, you want to search emails from your inbox, and you have to allocate some tasks, or you have to do some tasks from those emails. For example, you got an email from your client that they want to get the brief of the last meeting, or the brief of the marketing, or report of the last meeting that they have done, and that email is in your inbox or your Gmail inbox. Now, the good thing about Spark is that it can be integrated into multiple Google apps like Gmail, Google Docs, your Excel sheets, and so many other applications like Calendar for scheduling. And Google Spark is integrating all these, finding the documents, finding the information, and uh, allocating different tasks or doing different tasks on your behalf. So let's just start with one simple case study here. This is the screen of Spark here, and you can see you can also schedule different tasks. You can also create your own skills with this, and this skill can be reused, or it can be applied to multiple tasks in future as well. And you can see there is an option of connection of different applications. So right now I have connected my Gmail, my Google Docs, Google Drive, Google Keep, and you can also integrate contacts. You can also integrate Canva with this, and many other applications. So let's just start with the simple task here. First of all, I'm going to create a skill here. So click on create manually. So for example, I want to give the name of this one as client outreach skill, and I have one description for this one, and this is the instruction. So when generating a market research brief, format into three sections. Whenever you are going to create a market research brief, you have to make three different sections. One is executive summary, 3 bullet points, keep industry developments with source link, and action items and recommended calendar times. So this skill is for client outreach and scheduling different tasks related to market research. Now this skill is created and we can reuse this skill in future for our different tasks. Okay, you can see this skill is already there now, and we can just use this by backslash this one, and you can find this skill in your task. Now go to tasks and let's uh, define our task here. I have my prompt here, so I will explain this with detail. So copy and paste it here. Now I'm giving this prompt here to go to my Gmail and find those emails received this week with the tag client inquiry. So whenever it is going to find the email with this tag, it is going to summarize the key request, browse Google News for top 3 updates, whatever the topic that I'm going to give, for example, um, generative AI. Combine then using my client brief formatting skill. So that skill that we have created, it is going to write the document as per that skill and draft a Google Doc. So it is going to automatically draft a Google Doc because it is going to have access to that as well. In my drive folder, it is going to create a folder, weekly briefing, and it can also create, we can also give a date here, for example, 8 7 2026. Okay, no, it does not work. So 8 7 2026, and propose a 15-minute review meeting and schedule that meeting on my calendar app. So Google Calendar is already there. Now let's start this. And in my inbox, I have two emails related to client inquiry. These emails are from my other account, so I just sent those emails to myself just for testing. And it is, you can see, it started working, and it is navigating to different Google applications and finding the pieces and bits of my prompt, and it is going to give all the information at the end of this prompt. Now it got emails from my Gmail account. Now it is working with the Google Docs. We can wait for the final results. Now it is creating, I think it is creating document. I have confirmed all components were satisfied within the created document. The documents are already created. Okay, so you can see here an inquiry was received from Hassan. So this is the inquiry that I have sent from my other account, and this is the exact query that it has found, and this is the research that it has done. We will see that the Google Doc is created or not, and you can see it says that the Google Doc is already created. Proposed calendar slots for review and meeting. Now you can see these are the options that it want to give to me. So let's say um, plan schedule meeting with these clients on Monday 10th August at 2 p.m. So once it will do that, I will show you how it is working. It is asking me to connect your contacts app, so it is connecting. So it is setting or scheduling the meeting on Google Calendar now. We can wait for that. Meanwhile, we can see, just for cross verification, if it has created this weekly briefing or not. So now it is asking, I have put together a draft for your meeting, client meeting with this one on Monday, August 2:30 this time, and create. So let's cross verify Google, Google Docs. Go to Google Docs and let's see if that document is there. And you can see the document is there. It just created this document at I think 3 minutes ago. So let's open this, and this is the, you can see this is the document that it created just now. The director name, key industry, 3 points, action items. So this is verified that the document is already there. Now let's go to the Gemini Spark again, and it says that the meeting is also done, meeting is also scheduled. So Google Calendar, let's go to this calendar and see if we have a meeting on 8th. Yeah, you can see this is Saturday. No, this is not the meeting. It should be on Monday 10th at 2 p.m. Yeah, so you can see the meeting is already scheduled and the invite is already sent. The meeting link is already there and it's working perfectly fine. So this is how you can integrate your all the tasks related to your marketing, or it can be any task. This is just for the example, and you can do this same thing for any task that you want to do. Now for example, schedule, you can also create another schedule, or you can repeat this task in future as well. So this is as per your choice. If you want to repeat some specific tasks, and you can follow them as per your choice. I hope this video was helpful for you, and definitely if you want to try, you can definitely set up some tasks that you are doing daily, and if you can think that these can be automated, then I think you should try this and it will really save your time. So if you like this video, please subscribe to this channel so you can see more videos like this in future. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in next video.